Okay, boys and girls, we are on Spiral Practice 112. It said, at a farmer's market, Jerissa bought 5 baskets of 8 peaches and 7 baskets of 4 peaches. She used 23 of the peaches to make a cobbler. Which equation can be used to find the number of peaches P that Jerissa has left? So look, if we take the 5 baskets of 8 peaches, 5 times 8, that's going to give us 40 peaches, and then 7 baskets of 4 peaches, that would give us 28 peaches. And then we're going to use 23 of them, which means we would have to subtract that. So if you look at your answer choices, to get 40, we would do 5 times 8. So it's not going to be B or D. 5 times 8. And then we have the 7 times 4. 7 times 4 here and here. And then we're going to subtract the 23 that we use. So the correct answer here would be C. Number 2 says, the model below shows the dimensions of a box that is filled with 1-inch cubes. The length of the base layer is 5 inches and the width of the base layer is 4 inches. The length and width are used to find the number of 1-inch cubes in the base layer. The height is the number of layers of 1-inch cubes in the box. Now it gives us the height already. It's going to be 9. So it wants to know the number of cubes in the box. That means we are filling it up. We are finding the volume, and the formula for that, length times width times height. So we're going to fill this in. The length here is 5, the width is 4, and the height is 9. Remember, you can only multiply 2 numbers at once. So 5 times 4 gives us 20. Times 9, 2 times 9 we know is 18, and add on that 0. So 180. The correct answer is H. Okay, number 3 says, Trelissa used the rule F equals 3G to describe a pattern in the graph. She used F to represent the output and G to represent the input. If the input is 2, what is the other number in the coordinate pair? So a couple of things here. Remember, a number next to a letter like this means we're going to do what? That's right, multiply. You know that on this we need to make a T-chart. We have F and we have G. We know that F, it says, is the input, so that's going to be your X value. G is going to be the output. That's going to be your Y value. So we have 3G. It says if the input is 2, okay, the input is 2, what is the other number in the coordinate plane? So it's going to be 3, F is going to equal 3G. Okay, I'm sorry, I messed one thing up in our T-chart. Remember, whatever this second letter is has to go first in our T-chart. So this should be G and this should be F. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me review that. Whatever is in your expression here, the first letter goes second in your T-chart. So we have the input G is 2, and it says the rule is 3G, so this is going to be 2 times 3, which is going to give you the value of 6. If you look at your coordinate graph here, we're going to start at this point, which is called the what? Origin. That is correct. And the ordered pair for the origin would be 0, 0. You're going to start it and you're going to go towards the X first and then the Y. X comes first in the alphabet. So if we go over 2 and up 6, we know that this value would be 6. So 6 is going to be the Y value. The correct answer is B.